For Delaware families, remodeling is a smart investment in your home and lifestyle. How smart? A Wilmington kitchen update can recoup over 98% of its cost at resale. And that's not the only benefit. Delaware has unique programs that put cash back in your pocket. We're talking huge state tax credits for historic homes and special energy rebates many homeowners miss. So, what is home remodeling in Delaware? We'll define it, show the local rules, and guide you to success. First, the basics. Remodeling means changing a home's structure or function, like removing a wall. Renovation is just cosmetic. New paint, same layout. This difference matters because remodeling requires permits. What are Delawareans remodeling most? Open-concept living areas are popular for modernizing older homes. Projects can be as small as converting a closet or as large as a full second-story addition for a growing family. Budget is always a factor. A mid-range bathroom remodel averages $24,000, while a new deck can offer a 68 to 83% ROI. Now, why is remodeling in Delaware so unique? It comes down to our coast, our history, and our counties. Let's start with the coast. Why are Sussex County rules so strict? It's about safety and protecting your investment. FEMA flood rules dictate foundation heights and materials. Ignore them, and you risk a total teardown and invalid insurance. Next, history. Delaware actually pays you to remodel certain old houses with a generous historic preservation tax credit. This isn't a small discount. It can cover up to 30% of qualified costs, turning an old home into a huge financial asset. Finally, the counties. A permit in Newcastle isn't the same as in Kent because of different zoning and inspection schedules. These rules and benefits bring up a big question. How do you know if your property qualifies for these powerful programs? See it in action. A Wilmington row home used the historic tax credit to fund its kitchen remodel, preserving original floors. In Rehoboth Beach, this addition required raised pilings and corrosion-resistant hardware per coastal building codes. And in Dover, this family got hundreds back from Energize Delaware rebates by upgrading windows during their remodel. So, how did they know they were eligible? It's simpler than you think. Check Delaware's SHPO online map and your county's zoning website. Seeing the potential is exciting, but the process has its challenges. What are the most common mistakes Delaware families make? Mistake number 1, not checking your contractor's license. In Delaware, any job over $50,000 legally requires one. Mistake 2, ignoring hazards. For homes built before 1978, your contractor must be EPA lead-safe certified for your family's health. Mistake 3, relying on a handshake. A detailed contract with scope, timeline, and payments is your most valuable document. A final costly mistake, choosing the wrong materials for Delaware's climate. Humidity and salt air can degrade cheap siding fast. It can feel like a minefield of rules and risks. But what if these regulations are actually the key to a successful project? Remember that high kitchen remodel ROI? You don't get that return by cutting corners. You get it with proper permits and inspections. Think about it. Planning around Delaware's incentives changes your budget. That tax credit should be part of your initial financial plan. The coastal codes aren't just a hassle. They are a guarantee your beach property is insurable and will withstand a storm. The big picture is this. In Delaware, the regulations aren't roadblocks. They are a roadmap to a safer, more valuable home. So, what is home remodeling for a Delaware family? It's transforming your space by using our state's specific financial incentives. Your first step is simple: define your goals and budget. Then, visit your county's planning site and the Delaware SHPO website. Do your homework, hire licensed professionals, and use the system to your advantage to create a safer, more valuable home. Because a great remodel is about more than new countertops. It's about building a better future for your family, right here in Delaware.